Come join us on our fun and quick trip to New Taipei City. Our first stop was Yingge Old Street, known as the Pottery capital of Taiwan. We visited a place where we could try making different crafts. First, we tried blue tie dyeing. We got to make our own designs. The teacher showed us how and we listened carefully. We only needed 3 things: stones, rubber bands, and blue dye from the malan plant. To make the patterns, we placed stones on the cloth and tied them tightly with rubber bands. Then, we soaked the cloth in blue dye and waited for a few minutes. While we waited, we also got to try clay pot making. The teacher made it look easy. But when we tried it, it was hard. We had to hold the spinning clay just right. If your hands move the wrong way, the clay loses its shape. We all gave it a try, and it was a lot of fun. After that, it was time to see our tie-dye results. We took off the rubber bands and stones and rinsed the cloth with water. Wow, our designs were beautiful and unique. Next, lunchtime, we had sushi. After lunch, we went to Sanxia Old Street, the home of the famous Taiwan hornbreads. And yes, we made our own. Before baking, we had to keep everything clean. We wore hairnets and washed our hands well. With help from the teachers, we did it step by step. First, we rolled the dough with our hands, thick on one end and thin on the other. Next, we flattened it with a rolling pin. Then, we folded it into a shape like a bull's horn. It kind of looked like a French croissant, don't you think? Off to the oven it goes. While waiting for the bread, we visited the Qingshui Zushi temple. We learned that everything there was made by hand, even the stone pillars. It took over 1,000 days just to make one pillar. We learned a lot about culture, religion, and art. This trip was so much fun. I know everyone had a great time. See you on our next adventure. Bye!